धन्यवाद।
Deputy Speaker, sir, I want to thank all the honorable members for participating in this discussion, very important discussion on Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, which is a very successful program launched by NDA government. Actually, there is a allocation of 60,000 crore rupees over the years to connect 1,60,000 habitations. इसमें सांसदों का क्या पात्र होना चाहिए ऐसे बार बार पूछा गया, इसलिए मैं निवेदन करना चाहता हूं। हमने एक गाइडलाइंस को सबको भिजवा दिया है, सारे प्रदेशों को। उस गाइडलाइंस में we have said this: under the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, the proposals of the members of the parliament are required to be given full consideration. The list of unconnected habitations along with the population in each district, along with the list of roads identified to connect them as part of the core network, should be sent to the members of the parliament. To facilitate the MPs in making their suggestions, it will be incumbent upon the district panchayat to ensure that while framing the proposals, full consideration is given to the proposals received from the members of parliament within the framework of the guidelines. For this purpose, the proposal listed by the members of the parliament on
जब आप माननीय मंत्री जी कह रहे हैं,
बोल रहे हैं ना,
नहीं एक
मैं कंप्लीट ही नहीं किया।
एक सेकंड,
आप पूरी बात तो सुन लीजिए।
एक मिनट आगे मामला उसे माननीय मंत्री जी ने कहा कि सांसद जो अपना रिकमेंडेशन देगा वो जिला पंचायत पास करेगी। वहाँ जिला पंचायत में हो रहा है कि जिला सांसद की बात, एमएलए की बात नहीं मानी जाएगी। जिला पंचायत सदस्यों की संख्या 100 के आसपास रहती है। वो लोग कहते हैं कि हम नहीं पास करेंगे जब तक हमारी बात नहीं मानी जाएगी।
ठीक है, तो वैसी हालत में मंत्री जी समाधान देंगे ना, आप बैठ जाइए। वो तो बोल ही
हमने कभी ये नहीं कहा, यानी कोर नेटवर्क है ना, सड़कों के कोर नेटवर्क वो जिला पंचायत ही तैयार करेगी, डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ही तैयार करेगी। लेकिन सांसद को भी हक है, वो एक प्रस्ताव भेज सकते हैं। वो दोनों प्रस्ताव को मिला करके एक कोर नेटवर्क का प्रपोजल बनाएंगे और उसको हमको दे देंगे। Therefore, we should understand that the नहीं ऐसे ही होगा जी। इसलिए और एक बार once more I will recirculate the guidelines that the honorable members of the parliament should be taken in consideration while formulating the core network of the roads, while laying shilanyas to various roads connecting the habitations. I also take into
What about monitoring committee?
I have taken into note the concerns expressed by honorable member of parliament Pandey ji and Akhilesh Yadav ji, Channin Tala ji, all Lakshman Singh ji, everybody. Therefore, we will be writing to all the state governments to see that the
कुमार
role of
अखिलेश सिंह हैं, कुमार अखिलेश यादव नहीं, कुमार अखिलेश सिंह
जी,
कुमार अखिलेश सिंह,
हाँ कुमार अखिलेश सिंह जी, more or less
नोट यादव,
all the state governments, we will assure, we will be writing to all the state governments, and I will be personally speaking to the chief ministers that the role of the MPs should be ensured. Role of the MPs should be ensured in formulation of the core network, in implementing of the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, in having any type of function, inauguration or shilanyas of Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. If there are some problems for the honorable MPs, they can give me the representations so that I can individually take up the matter with the respective state governments. हम जरूर करेंगे जी, हम जरूर करेंगे। जो
मॉनिटरिंग कमेटी का गठन नहीं हुआ है,
नहीं, मैं अभी तक नहीं आया हूँ ना।
आपने नाम दे दिया।
प्लीज उत्तर देने दीजिए।
I have not come to monitoring committee yet. Secondly, the question of monitoring committee. The union government has already constituted vigilance and monitoring committee for all the states. If some of the states have not implemented, we will take up these issues with the respective state governments individually. by and large, most of the state governments have have accepted this Vigilance and Monitoring Committee. And I also know that there are reports from various states, various members of the parliament, that required amount of cooperation is not given to those monitoring committees and the presidents of the monitoring committees. I think the whole program is in the nascent stage, and I hope all the honorable members will appreciate the efforts of Government of India. For the first time, there is an effort that a centrally sponsored scheme is being implemented with active participation of the honorable members of the parliament. You don't have such mechanism, institutional mechanism, in Valmiki Ambedkar Awas Yojana, in various other schemes of the union government. But this is the first program in which the honorable members are actively participating. I entirely agree that there is scope for improvement, and we will try for that improvement. And lastly, regarding tendering, we are going to circulate a tender document. We are also considering whether we should come out with a pre-qualification criteria for the contractor, so that there will not be contracting, subcontracting, subcontracting, and contract is given to a contractor who cannot really implement the whole thing. Regarding forest lands, we have already taken up the matter with the Ministry of Environment and Forest, and they have agreed that 5 hectares of forest land clearance per project is allowed to the regional committees of the Environment and Forest Department. If the respective honorable MPs can take up the matter with the regional committees of Environment Ministry in their states, they will allow 5 hectares of forest clearance per project. Regarding slow implementation, it is the responsibility of the union government to allocate the money. We have already allocated the money. I am very sorry to place before the House that we had given 300 crore rupees to the state of Bihar. But in the first year of the implementation, 2000-2001, they have spent only 50 crore rupees, and they have not taken more than 300 crore rupees for Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. I hope, sir, I have replied to all the queries raised by the honorable members of the parliament, and Rural Development Ministry will be more than eager to assist and cooperate honorable members of the parliament in making this Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana a great success. Thank you.
आपको एक सुझाव देना चाहता हूँ।
नहीं, आप कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं होगा माननीय मंत्री जी
करते वक्त यदि माननीय संसद सदस्यों की राय
नहीं बैठ जाइए,
तो निश्चित ही तौर पे
अखिलेश सिंह जी कोई क्वेश्चन होगा। माननीय मंत्री जी, विषय महत्वपूर्ण था। माननीय धनराज पटेल सिंह ने आपसे एक समाधान चाहा था कि जब जिला पंचायत में माननीय सांसदों की अनुशंसा की अनदेखी होती है, ऐसी स्थिति में आप क्या समाधान देते हैं विदिन दी गाइडलाइन, जो प्रधानमंत्री सड़क योजना का गाइडलाइन है और जो कोर नेटवर्क है, उसके तहत आप कोई ऐसे
हम केवल परस्यूड कर सकते हैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को, क्योंकि
बुला लीजिए दिल्ली में,
हर प्रदेश में,
पटेल जी ने पूछा,
हर प्रदेश में और हर जिले में, उस प्रदेश और जिले में कितना अनकनेक्टेड हैबिटेशंस है, उसका पूरा ब्यौरा उनके पास ही होगा। इसीलिए वो एक कोर नेटवर्क का प्रपोजल बनाएंगे, और जो प्रपोजल्स हमारे माननीय संसद सदस्य देंगे उसका मेल बिठाने का कोशिश हम करवाएंगे।
नहीं हो गया।